Hi guys! Welcome sa Asip9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on conditional statements or yung if-then statements. In this video ay magpa-practice tayo kung paano ba mag-form ng converse, inverse, tsaka contrapositive ng isang conditional statement. Alright, so ang example natin ay if you drink coffee, then you are happy. So yung una yung gagawin is identify nyo muna yung antecedent tsaka yung consequent, no? Or tinatawag natin na hypothesis tsaka conclusion. So yung antecedent or hypothesis is the statement after if. Ito yun, no? Dito sa series natin, sinisimbolize natin ng P yung antecedent or hypothesis. Tapos yung consequent o yung conclusion, yan yung statement after ng then. So ito yan. You are happy. And in this series, ang consequent ay sinisimbolize natin as Q. Of course, you can use other letters, no? If you want. Okay, so yung original conditional statement natin ay P implies Q. Or if P, then Q. Ano yung converse? Yung converse is yung Q implies P. So, babaliktaran natin yung antecedent saka yung consequent. Ibig sabihin, yung converse natin ay if Q, then P. At pag binuo natin yan, magiging if, ano yung Q natin? If you are happy. If you are happy, then you drink coffee. Okay? Paano yung inverse? Yung converse, pinagpalit natin yung consequent saka yung antecedent, di ba? Pero ito hindi natin siya pinagpalit, pero meron tayong not. Remember from the previous discussions na yung symbol na yan, not, no? So, ibig sabihin, if not P, then not Q. Okay? Lalagyan natin ng not yung statement P, tsaka lagyan din natin ng not yung statement Q. So, dito, yung P natin ay if you drink coffee, no? If you do not drink coffee, then may not din yung Q natin. Ang Q natin ay you are happy. Paano natin lalagyan ng not yun? Then, you are not happy. Next, contrapositive. So, sa contrapositive, binaliktad na natin yung P tsaka yung Q yung nauna. At the same time, ninegate natin. So, may negation. O, madali na yung contrapositive kasi may not Q, not P na tayo dito sa inverse, di ba? So, pag sinulat natin to sa if and then, magiging if not Q, then not P. No? Ano ang not Q natin? Nasulat na natin dito sa inverse, no? Ito yung not Q natin. So, if you are not happy, then you do not drink coffee. We'll have another example. Okay, so if two segments are congruent, then they have the same length. So ano yung P natin? So ito yung P natin. Tapos, yung ating Q ay yung kasunod ng then. They have the same length. Ito yung Q natin. So meaning the original statement is if P then Q or P implies Q. So paano yung converse? No? Pag sinulat natin siya sa if then, magiging if Q, then P. Now notice that yung Q ay they have the same length. Pwede ba tayo magsabi na if they have the same length, pwede ba yun? Ano ba yung tinutukoy ng they? Di ba yung two segments? So para mas malinaw naman, mas maganda siguro if the two segments have the same length, di ba? So if two segments, burahin na lang natin. So if two segments have the same length, then they are congruent. So yung they naman ang pinalitan natin, no? Pero pareho lang ibig sabihin nun kasi yung they ay yung two segments pa rin naman yung tinutukoy. So for the inverse, we have if not P, then not Q. Paano natin sasabihin yung not P? If two segments are not congruent, paano natin yung they have the same length? Actually, pwede nating sabing different lengths, no? Pero dapat meron tayong not. Hanggat maaari, lagyan natin ng not. Kasi hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon tama, no? Pag kinuha natin yung opposite, no? So, basta nandun yung phrase na not the same length. So, if two segments are not congruent, then the segments, pwede natin lagyan ng the segments, are not of the same length. Well, you can use other phrases, of course, no? Pero dapat nandun yung not same length. Kasi yun yung opposite ng have the same length. Paano yung contrapositive? If not Q, then not P. Notice na may not Q na tayo dito, di ba? Ito yung the segments are not of the same length. Ito yung not Q natin, di ba? So, pwede na natin yung kopyahin. If the segments are not of the same length, then, ano ang not P? Ang P natin ay the segments are congruent. So, lalagyan natin ng not, no? Then, the segments are not congruent. So, that's it. Sana ay nakuha nyo yung pagkakaiba ng converse, inverse, tsaka contrapositive of a conditional statement. Sa susunod na video ay we will have more examples about conditional statements and its converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Alright, so that's it. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. I'll see you in the next video.